driving with my man. It's so bloody. Where'd they go? Oh shit, there they are. We might as well just turn the air off. Look at these motherfuckers. Just, what is it? Is that a quail? That is not, oops. Sorry. What is it? What the fuck is that? This lady, fuck her. I'm astonished. What the fuck are these things? Oh my god. Oh look, it's my twin car. Whoa, and they're just straight walking around. So they don't live at that other house. Where are they going? Oh shit, I can't see. Where are you going? Shit is fucking crazy to me. Oh my god. Someone has to tell me what these are.